So after lofted bend command, here is the edge flange command. To use this edge flange command, we need to have a sheet metal body. So sketch on front plane and draw something. Now in the sheet metal, select base flange tab command. Now extrude it and press OK button. Click on edge flange command. Here are the flange parameters. So select edges. Now your flange will be automatically generated or created. Now specify the direction. In this direction, if you scroll down, here is the degree for bend. You can increase or decrease, like 120 or 180 or any degree that you want. For this time, let me select 120 degree. Here is the length for extrusion. See how it is working. This is the type of this distance from flange. Here is the flange position. If you uncheck this box, here is the bend radius and gap distance. So you can select multiple edges to create more than one edges or flanges. So once all done, press OK button to apply this command.